ahead, Raj. I think we might have to take a little bit of a break now. It's raining here, and obviously with electrical instruments in our hands, let's see what we can do about this. Give us a minute.
Yeah, because the electric guitar is a very dangerous instrument in the rain. It's not meant to be played underwater, in the bath, or in the rain. We're just waiting for a second just to see if it's really stopped for a second.
Come on, clap your hands, make that rain stop!
It's a good idea.